Percentage-based gradebooks are different from points-based gradebooks in that although each assignment is given a point value, the final grade is based on the weight of the category, not the total points possible. Assignments are grouped into categories, and each category is assigned a percentage value. The sum of all the categories is 100%. The final grade is based upon the weight of the category, not the total points possible. For example, a category worth 40% of the overall grade that has assignments worth 10 points each will impact the overall grade more than a category worth 10% of the overall grade, even if assignments in that category have a high point value. Weighting of an individual assignment within a category can be done through points awarded. An assignment worth 20 points will be worth twice as much as an assignment worth 10 points in the same category. To create a percentage-based gradebook, select the Manage tab. Then select Gradebook from your Course Management nugget. If you have not worked in your course gradebook before, the Gradebook wizard will appear on your screen. Scroll down and select Skip Wizard. Creating your gradebook with Wizard will result in a gradebook that will potentially break, particularly with Dropbox assignments. The screen will now display the Gradebook Manager. From this point forward, this is the screen that will appear when you click Gradebook. When setting up your gradebook for the first time, you will want to set your preferences, such as points or percentage-based gradebook, how grades are displayed, etc. In the first column of the Gradebook Manager, select Preferences. On your Preferences page, the default display format is the way in which the grade or score will be presented in the gradebook. You can choose from a variety of styles in this drop box. In general, most people select Score Percent as it displays both. Treat ungraded items as 0 automatically populates the gradebook with zeros for every assignment. It is recommended that you not select this option at the beginning of the semester, as students will start with all zeros in the gradebook. Towards the end of the semester, you may select this option to save time and energy entering zeros for unsubmitted assignments. The Exclude Instructors from Averages is used because occasionally in the grading process, instructors give themselves zeros when scoring a particular assignment. Choosing to exclude instructors from averages prevents those zeros from affecting the overall course average. Below that, you may choose to have the grades shown for dropped students. This allows you to hide or display grades for students who are dropped from your course. At this point, we will set our gradebook mode. Click the drop box and select Percentage. Below, the overall display format is the way in which the overall average is displayed within the gradebook. As with the default display format, you can choose from a variety of styles in this drop box. In general, most people select Score Percent. Scroll down and click Save, and you will be returned to the Gradebook Manager page, and the preferences for your gradebook are set. Now that your preferences are set, it is time to create the categories for your percentage-based gradebook. In the column under Gradebook Management, select Categories. A default category is listed. Click on the box next to Default, and task buttons will appear below. Delete the default category. You will receive a warning. Simply click OK. Create a new category by selecting Add New. Scroll down and the category editor will display. Type in the title of your category. For example, Discussions. You can enter in an optional description of the gradebook category, but it is not required. The default setting is for the gradebook to use all assignments. If you want Angel to drop the lowest grade, it is recommended that you use the highest number of grades. For example, if you want it to drop the lowest discussion score and you have 10 discussions, have Angel use the highest 9 grades, and it will drop the bottom grade. The average format defaults to the setting you chose in Preferences. Extra credit can be selected here or at the assignment level. Here, you enter in the category weight. You do not need to enter in a percent sign. For this example, I will have discussions worth 45% of the overall grade. We recommend that you do not select Auto Calculate. It does not work as described in the help manual and will create problems for you later on. When you've entered in all of the information on the category editor, click Save. And you will see in your categories that your discussion category is listed. I have added in 3 other categories: assessments, written assignments, and extra credit, and you can see that the weights add up to 100, the percent overall adds up to 100%, and extra credit, which is worth 2% of their overall score, does not impact the overall weight. When all of your categories have been added, as they have been here, your gradebook is complete. When you've completed adding your categories, click back to the main menu. Please note, do not link assignments to the gradebook by using the assignment link in the Gradebook Manager. You should only link gradable items to the gradebook through the Assignment tab on each gradable item itself.